What's going on, guys? Doug Ninja Plays here, and welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna be playing SkyBlock again, episode 5. And for episode 5, we're gonna try to build a house out of wood. I mean, like, why wouldn't you build out of wood? What else would you build it out of? Like stone? Who would want to build their house out of stone? Anyways, let's go to our recipe book for promising axe. How about sweet axe? We're gonna use our sweet axe to cut down a few trees. So let's go do exactly what I said. Yeet, 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 yeet. Wait, what? No, I didn't want to kill you. Oak wood. You have oak minion. Wait, what? I didn't ask for you. You get that, right? Good, zombie guy, you got that. Hope you did at least. Okay, now we have to go do this. And we're gonna cut down all this wood. We're gonna stop when we get about a stack of wood, which is probably gonna be a while, but I hope it isn't a while, because if it is a while, then I have no idea what I'll do, but I'll do something. Okay, so this tree, this. This. I'll get that. Okay, we have about a stack of wood, which I think will be enough because, like, each little log is 4 blocks of wooden planks, 4 wooden planks. So let's see if it is good. Maybe for now we'll just take a stack. And then when we need more, we'll go back. Because we don't know how much. And let's try making our house a little nice. So our corners we're gonna replace with some of these blocks. Wait, where was it? These blocks, because that's how we make it nice. Then it's nicer. Maybe we should make our house this tall. Yeah, it seems good. And almost done. Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah. So we're just gonna get some of this wood. And there. And it's gonna be the first nice thing I build on the island. Oh, I just need like 2 more. Do we have oak logs? Darn it. We have to go back here now and mine some more. And I wish we had a bunch. Sweet axe. Okay. Promising axe. Got a sweet axe. And what's so good about apples? The only thing that's good about them is to sell them. And they give you a whole bunch of money. That's good to know. And now let's go over here and do some parkour, even though I'm kind of horrible at it. And here we are. Let's mine this stuff. And then after, let's subscribe to me. I'm gonna try mining wood with this mode. Wait, how did I do that? How did I think it's... I give up. Yeah, I give up. Okay, we don't want to waste your time here, because I know you guys have a certain amount of time too. If you're a kid, then you get video game time. And we got a bunch of apples. I don't know why that would be useful. Oh yeah, just saying, I didn't win the auction. That chest plate thing. 20 cans to get double logs. That's pretty good. We get 300 coins. Okay, I think we have enough now. So we can make our nice house. AKA the first nice thing on this island. And yes. Now we can start building this. And I wish we had glass. And I think we might have glass. Well, we might not have glass yet, but we're going to. Because I think I might know how to get glass. So obviously you need sand. And sand comes from farming. And if we farm, then we get sand. So let's just make 2 nice big windows here on this side. And then this side has no windows, because we don't need windows on this side. You can also go head over to the furniture store and get some stools and stuff. Because today, we'll also be transferring all this stuff to the other one. Actually, we're gonna keep the stuff out here. Something that I want though. Only we had wool, which I think we do have somewhere over here. Yes. Can we build beds? Because that'll be so useful. And then we need wool. Oh, that thing's so useful. Wait, it's not going to turn day yet? Beds are rip-offs. The only reason you should use them is for decoration. And we're gonna decorate our house because we want to make it nice. So let's make one more bed because that will look better. Because one is better than two, right? You know the thing? It's not really saying, but kinda is. The more the better. That one's a saying, I guess. Well, kinda. Wait! Wait, I forgot to put my coins in the bank, zombie. So, you get off here. I can put my coins in the bank. Always stay at the night. And now, I'm gonna get some coins. Because I think this is undead. And then we can go here. This pumpkin guy. And deposit. Now I have 16,000 coins in there. Which is pretty good. I think. I'm pretty sure it's pretty good. I mean, seems pretty good. I'm satisfied. Okay. We can now go up here. And yeet, 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 yeet. And we're gonna yeet all these blocks here. Oh, come on. Well, luckily I have a crafting table in our inventory, which is good. Now, we're gonna try getting some... Okay, spider. Not now, okay? Later. We're gonna try farming. Because to get sand, you need to farm. And you need glass to build, and then to get glass, you need sand. And some type of fuel. And to get that you have to, actually I have no idea. Okay. We're over here. And I'm kind of hoping that we can go over here soon. Okay. Are we enough farming levels? Up. Cool. 5. Let's see what farming level I am. Wait, there's just the mushroom desert? Oh yeah, there's cactus in the mushroom desert, and there's also sand. Okay. So now we have to farm like crazy. I want to see how quick it is. You mine 1 potato. Did that bring us anywhere? I don't see. Okay, 3.8. This should be 3.9. If I'm correct. No, 4. Okay, so it's not going to be as slow as I thought it would be. But it's still kind of slow. Well, let's farm a bunch of these now because I have a good axe. My sweet axe. You, and you. You. So I'm just gonna be farming for a long time. That's for sure. And there. Well, guys, that's gonna be on today's video. Next video, we'll unlock the thing and finish our house. So,